Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh. So guys, this is part 2 of rainy words. So I'm going to teach you some more words related to water, rain and all. So come here and see what I'm going to teach you. So guys, you can see here, as I have already taught you about water logging and all, I have already taught you that if water is collected here, this is called water logging. So if this amount of water starts going down gradually, if it goes down, 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 this is called subside. You can say that water level is subsiding. See, this water level, you can see here, water level. So if this water level is going down, which word will you use? Subside, like water level is subsiding. Okay, and it has gone down, you can say that water level has subsided. You got this word? Okay. Now I'm going to teach you one more word related to this. See guys, you know, if somebody puts the leg here, this is the water. See, if somebody puts the leg here like this, and his foot goes down, if there is muddy puddle and his foot goes down, this is called bog down. You can say that my leg got bogged down. It means पैर का धंस जाना. तो अगर किसी का पैर धंस जाता है इस तरीके से, कहीं पर मड हो और पैर धंस जाता है, दिस इज कॉल्ड बॉग डाउन. तो यू कैन से माई लेग गॉट बॉग डाउन. सी, दिस इज लाइक दिस. यू कैन, इफ इट गोज इन साइड और धंस गया तो बॉग डाउन का आप इस्तेमाल करेंगे. एंड इफ़ देर इज़ दलदल, अगर दलदल है तो इंग्लिश में आप बोलेंगे स्वम्प. यू कैन कॉल स्वम्प इन दलदल. यू कैन ऑल्सो कॉल मार्श टू दलदल. सो अगर दलदल में कोई धंस गया तो ही गॉट बॉग डाउन इन स्वम्प और मार्श. गॉट दिस वर्ड ऑल्सो? ओके. Now one more word guys related to the same water. The thing is that I am holding the camera, I am holding the mic and doing everything. Sometimes it happens if somebody does like this. This is this. Can you see this? So if somebody puts his foot on the water, this is called splash. यानी कि छप छप करना, छपाक छपाक करना. This is called splash. So you can say that he splashed. So this is also nice word, splash. Okay. Now one more word I'm going to teach you. For that I need a pebble. Okay, I will get from here. Let me pick a pebble from here. So guys, when you throw any pebble in the water, if there is stagnant water, I mean there is no movement in the water, and if you throw a pebble, it creates a wave. So that wave creating is called ripple, like this. So did you see? It was rippling. It means the wave. Whenever wave creates, this is called ripple. You got it? Now guys, the next word. Suppose anything, maybe any vehicle or anything goes into the water. अगर कोई पानी में जाए और पूरा वो पानी में डूब जाए, like let me show you something. I'm going to put this. See. So did you see? If something goes into the water and totally covers, water comes on that, it means the thing got submerged. So this word is submerge. Maybe a car submerged, a vehicle submerged. It's like that you can use. So got this word? Now when rain falls and rain falls on soil and soil got कट फ्रॉम देयर, इट इज़ कॉल्ड इरोड. तो इरोड का आप इस्तेमाल तब करेंगे जब मिट्टी वहाँ से कट जाए, हट जाए बारिश के गिरने से, तो इरोड आप यूज़ करेंगे. लाइक दिस सोइल इरोडेड, या रेन इरोडेड द सोइल, दिस सोइल गॉट इरोडेड. और अगर बहुत मात्रा में कोई ज़मीन, आई मीन लाइक जो मिट्टी है वहाँ से हट के गिर जाए, उसे बोलते हैं लैंड स्लाइड, यानी कि भूमि स्खलन. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे वर्ड्स है गाइस. तो आई थॉट दैट आई मस्ट मेक अ वीडियो रिलेटेड टू दिस वर्ड्स. अगर गाइस, आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू वन मोर वर्ड. सपोज देयर इज़ अ बोट. आई हैव नॉट मेड अ बोट. सपोज देयर इज़ अ बोट and this boat is on the water, and suddenly boat boat is going, and when boat turns, when boat like turns like this, so this is called capsize. It means boat is capsizing. So this is capsize. And if it totally goes inside, so this is submerge. You can also say sink. Sink means डूबना. अगर कोई human being डूबता है तो drown. So these are the words, guys. So I hope you must have enjoyed. This is all about this video. Thank you very much, everybody. Stay connected. Thank you, guys.